Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to my channel Amber's Learning Hub। स्टूडेंट्स एज यू नो कि हम लोगों ने एक सीरीज़ स्टार्ट की है जिसमें हम लोग एमए इंग्लिश के पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को सॉल्व करते हैं जो कि यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सरगोदा के पेपर्स हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सरगोदा का एमए इंग्लिश पार्ट 1 का क्लासिकल पोइट्री का पेपर जो कि है फर्स्ट एनुअल 2018 का। तो स्टूडेंट लेट्स स्टार्ट राइटिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1's आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ व्हाट इज़ क्लासिसिज्म। तो स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर लिखना शुरू करते हैं जो कि है क्लासिसिज्म इज़ अ स्पेसिफिक genre of philosophy expressing itself in literature, architecture, art, music, which has ancient Greek and Roman sources and an emphasis on society। स्टूडेंट्स इस क्वेश्चन का एक सेकंड आंसर भी है जो कि अब आप लोग लिख लें। द सेकंड आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन इज़ क्लासिसिज्म बिलोंग्स टू द admiration of the Greek and the Roman art, architecture and literature। Students, we have done question number 1. Let's move to the question number 2. And the question number 2 is what is epic? Question number 2 is what is epic? So students, the answer for this question is the definition of epic is something that refers to heroic story or something that is heroic or grand। स्टूडेंट्स इसका एक और पॉसिबल आंसर भी है जो कि आप लिख लें। द सेकेंड आंसर फॉर द सेम क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज़ एपिक इज़ द वर्ड एपिक इज़ derived from the ancient Greek adjective एपिकोज। एपिकोज के स्पेलिंग इस तरह से होंगे। एपिकोज के स्पेलिंग है एपिकोज। ओके, आई रिपीट अगेन। द वर्ड एपिक इज derived from the ancient Greek adjective epikos, which means a poetic story in literature, which means a poetic story के बाद आएगा फुल स्टॉप और उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस। इन लिटरेचर an epic is a long narrative poem which is usually related to heroic deeds of a person or of an unusual courage and unparalleled bravery। Students, we have done question number 2. Let's move to the question number 3. And the question number 3 is define simile। define simile। define simile इसका आंसर है a simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison showing similarities between two different things। Students, simile is a figure of speech that makes a comparison showing similarities between two different things. Unlike Unlike a metaphor, a simile draws resemblance with the help of the words like or as. Whenever we will write like, we will write like this. इसको हम लोगों ने इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखना है. स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिली की सेकंड डेफिनेशन भी है जो कि है सिमिली इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इन विच डिससिमिलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर कंपेयर्ड. इन दोनों में से जो डेफिनेशन आपको इजी लगती है आप उसको लिख सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव डन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. And the question number 4 is, what is heroic couplet? And the answer for question number 4 is, a heroic couplet is a traditional form for English poetry commonly used in epic and narrative poetry consisting of a rhyming pair of lines in iambic pentameter. स्टूडेंट्स, इसकी सेकंड डेफिनेशन भी है जो कि आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड द सेकंड डेफिनेशन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज, heroic couplet is a poetic style in which a stanza is composed of two rhymed lines written in iambic pentameter. Students, we have done question number 4. Let's start question number 5. And the question number 5 for this paper is, what is sonnet? Students, and the answer for question number 5 is, the word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto. Sonetto, अब एपिकोस और सोनेटो उसी तरह हमने इसको इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में लिखना है. The word sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little song, or small lyric. In poetry, a sonnet has 14 lines and is written in iambic pentameter. Students, we have done question number 5. Let's move to the question number 6. And the question number 6 is, why were pilgrims going to Canterbury? तो स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर है, all the characters in Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales are going to Canterbury for a pilgrimage. They are all going to visit the tomb of Saint Thomas Becket. Okay, students, we have done question number 6. Let's move to the question number 7. And the question number 7 is, who is called poet's poet? Students, इसका आंसर बहुत ज़्यादा आसान है जो कि है, and the answer for question number 7 is, Edmund Spenser is called the poet's poet because of the very high quality of his poetry. He was first called the poet's poet by the English essayist Charles Lamb. Students, let's move to the question number 8. And the question number 8 is, who is called champion of metaphysical poetry? Students, इसका आंसर सबको आता होगा लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग लिख लेते हैं, who is called the champion of the metaphysical poetry. तो उसका आंसर है, John Donne is called the champion of metaphysical poetry. Students, we have done question number 8. Let's move to the question number 9. And the question number 9 is, what is the importance of Hampton Court? Hampton Court, ये question जो है the rape of the lock में से है. तो students, let's write its answer. What is the importance of Hampton Court? The speaker calls attention to its importance as the place where British statesmen conduct important political affairs and where the Queen receives the council of advisors. Students, I repeat this question's answer again. The speaker calls attention to its importance as the place where British statesmen conduct important political affairs and where the Queen receives the council of advisors. So students, we have done question number 9. Let's move to the question number 10. And the question number 10 is, to which class does squire represent? Students, the answer for this question is, the squire is the knight's son and travels with him and he serves him. He represents the noble class and the warrior class. So students, we have done question number 10. So students, we have done question number 10. तो ये हमारा जो 2018 का पेपर था क्लासिकल पोइट्री का, वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एट द एंड मैं आप लोगों को यही बोलूँगी कि डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.